In this video, we install a pump, we do some microsurgery, and we create some fog. Just a few days after I repaired the pump of the espresso machine in my previous video, a client brought me this smoke machine. It makes a bit of noise, but produces no smoke. And after opening the machine, I realized that a smoke machine is a bit like a coffee machine for smoke instead of coffee, or that a coffee machine is a kind of smoke machine for coffee instead of smoke, whichever way you want to look at it. They both have a reservoir, a pump and a heating element. So let's get that pump out and see what's inside. The little ball that fell out should be on the end of the spring, so let's see if we can fiddle it back where it belongs. It looks like it is plastic, and the surgery is not doing it any good. I think with all the manipulation we damaged the ball in such a way that it isn't going to work anyway. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a website where little balls on springs are sold, let alone exactly this one. So, given that the pump costs somewhere around 10 euros including postage, I'll order a new one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't. And if you could spare a tiny bit of money, please press the thanks button under this video. Or if you really want to be my hero, join the channel and help me make some more of these repair videos by pressing the join button. In any way, I hope you enjoyed this video and please join me in the next one. Until next time, bye!